Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show to you guys how to make a transparent image using Google Slides. It's a very easy and simple process. So let's begin. First of all, just tap on blank and just delete this one because this will then bother you as if you add an image. So this will bother you. So just let me delete this and just let me delete this. Okay. So just after deleting it, press on this and then go to insert image, upload from computer. Just let me upload two images. Go again to insert images and upload from computer. So let me just fix it a little bit. So okay, now I have to transparent it. So just what you have to do is just right click and then scroll down, and as you can see format option, right, tap on format option, and on the format option section tap on adjustments, and on the first option transparency. So just let me make it 200. So as you can see the image is changing, right? As you can see over here, let me go back. As the marble color is dark, it's not light, it's not transparent. So if I go again from 0, so you can see the color is back to its normal color, and let me do it over here, and the color is changing. So this is the process to how to make a transparent image using Google Slides.